we going?
We're rolling.
And we're rolling.
And we are rolling.
Okay.
Hey guys, Brian.
Hey guys, what up? I'm Brian. Okay, keep going. Get started. Get it rolling. Okay. Hey guys, I'm Brian Bishop again with the results for the 2010 Original Costume Contest. Thanks to you guys, we had over 175 submissions, which is our biggest year by far. We had some awesome laughs around the office. It was a great time thanks to you guys. We wish we could give prizes to everybody, but we really can't. So we selected 15 winning videos. 6 videos will receive honorable mentions. And with that, you will receive a free original t-shirt. 8 videos in their respective categories will be receiving a free t-shirt and a $50 gift card off of any original deck. And 1 video will receive Best Overall Costume Contest Video, and will therefore receive a carbon fiber apex with full upgrades, whatever you want. Wheels, bearings, trucks, whatever. It's all on us, it's free, so don't worry about it. And without further ado, here are the winning videos. At Original, we want to thank everybody. A big thank you for submitting your videos. And if you won, shoot us an email, a YouTube message, or give us a call, and we'll send out your gear. Congratulations to the winners, and we'll see you guys next year. What do I think with that? Can I do with that?